Hello everyone, this is Sydney and this is my Threads code review. And as you can see, this is my total commission so far and I'm so excited because I just focused on promoting these products yesterday. And I built a system around it and it's been working so well. And I always refresh my screen so you can see that what I am doing is real. And you can see this is a total commission. And if you look at this total commission here, it's different, right? And I think that it's not loading correctly yet. And you can see your total commission right here. All right, so now let's go straight into it. In this video, I'm going to share with you the reason why I bought this course, my experience and my results that you already seen it. What the Threads code is about, what inside the course, what I liked, what I didn't like about it, who is it for, and is it worth it? As you know that last month, all of my accounts are gone, like Facebook, Instagram, Threads, they are all gone, and it was a nightmare. And when I have to pick one account to focus on first, I choose Threads because I know that the algorithm here works differently, and everybody, even if you start from the scratch, like from zero followers at all, you can start growing on this platform pretty quickly compared to other platforms. And that's why I choose it. And I want to learn more system to grow my account. You know that I got a lot of Threads courses, but what stand out to me is this course is grown by Kira, and she's been growing her account to like 44,000 followers. And she reached 9 million views, and that stand out to me, and I want to learn what she's doing and what I can apply. Most importantly, because you know that I am an affiliate and I always want to share the good products, and I will think about, okay, so if these products can help me and help you to grow as well, and if you don't have the results yet, it's fine because we can borrow other people's success. We can borrow their results. We can borrow their brand. And this is more important to me because I can share it with you. You can grow your account, you can sell, and you can earn at the same time. Okay? So I started applying what is teaching inside the course. And you can see here my account started to grow. You can see that this is my account, Digital Rich Babes. Currently, it is at 386 followers and I got 108,000 views. You can see that I screenshot my commission here again. So who is the creator behind the Threads code? She's Kira Goldberg. And you can see here, I screenshot her account that she reached almost 45,000 followers right here. And she got 9 million recent views. And this is her old results that she made almost 2K in 1 week recently because this course is exploding that she has made like $4,000 in the week. That's crazy for a low ticket offer, right? And once she got the results, she packed it inside the Threads code. This course is a step-by-step system that teaches us how to grow on Threads, how we can attract our loyal followers. We post content, we get engagement, and we turn that attention into sales. So we are turning Threads into an ATM, right? This is the basic funnel as you can see right here. We got the sale page. She also offer an order bump right here, the 500 done for you viral threads. And inside the classroom, you also will see this course, the passive income on Threads that costs $147. And it depends on you. It's optional. If you want to learn more, you can get it to learn more. So here's the sale page. You can scroll down and it's pretty long. It's a long sale page with all the info and testimonials and the questions as well. So now let's go inside the classroom. The Threads course is hosted inside a school community. So once you purchase it, you will need to request to join the community. She's pretty active, so I think you can get access inside within 24 hours. When you go inside, you can go to the classroom tab and you can see all of the information right here that you can learn. It takes me an afternoon to see all of these. She has the videos as well, so it's like talking to a friend. Then you can also get the Make Daily Sales on Threads ebook here. It's pretty good. Make sure you check it out. She also shared to you many chat for IG, and you can see a good vote right here, AI prompts for Threads. the master thread schedule, types of threads, and even a full AI prompt library. One thing I like about the threads code is that you don't just get the information to learn to go viral, to grow your threads, to turn threads into sale. You will also get access to the community right here where you can ask questions. So you don't have to grow in this journey alone. You have us here with you so you can grow confidently, okay? She also do the shout out, and you can see yesterday I made 15 sales, and this is my name right here, Sydney. What I like about Kira is she's trying to reply every single comment. So I really, really love that. I love a supportive community, and I want to refer you to good communities only. Now, what I don't like about these products, I do have something I don't like. If you open this product on a desktop, it's completely fine. But if you open it on your mobile phone, there's one problem, and I will jump to my mobile phone to show you. It's when people use it on mobile phone and they have to open the link like this, and it takes a while to load. And here you can see that it is taking some time. And when it's in here, and you can see that, okay, so you see that it just disappeared for me. That's why you see people has many clicks on it, because they have to load it again. Like when I go like this, see, you see that it's gone again. And this is the only thing I don't like about the threads code. I'm not sure if she gonna change the sales system, but honestly, this is something I don't like. Okay, so that is the only thing that I don't like about the threads code. So this system is really good for creators, for digital product sellers, affiliate marketers, coaches. This system is so good, it's so clear, it's so high converting that I start to provide my coaching program as well. It's my one-on-one support program when you purchase the Win the First program that I will work with you for the next 30 days so you can grow on threads. If you are a beginner, then this is a perfect system for you to grow so you can avoid many trials and errors. If you want to build an audience online, like if you have any products, you can promote it, not just the threads code, because this system can help you to grow really, really well. And if you want to make sales using threads, yeah, this system is for you. So my final verdict for this system is 8 out of 10. If you want to grow and make sales on threads, this is a perfect system with a low ticket product to start with. Even though it is a low ticket offer, I still offer you my bonus right here, the thread vault, and my $100 a day threads blueprint editable Canva file. So once you get the threads code, don't forget to DM me so I can unlock these bonuses for you. And these bonuses are hosted inside my community, Work with Sydney right here. So make sure you join my community to get it. Alright guys, so that's it for my review. I hope that helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And this is Sydney from workwithsydney.com. Thank you for watching. I'll see you. Bye.